Kia ora. All right, now we've had a couple of requests to share our calming down song, Ha ki roto, ha ki waho. So this is a song we love to use at the end of all of our sessions to help our children bring their breath back into their bodies and calm themselves down. All right, so we're going to start by breathing in through our ihu like this and blow all our air out our waha. Ready? Ha ki roto, breathing in. Ha ki waho. Ha ki roto, breathing in. Ha ki waho. Breathing helps us to calm down. It's time to whakatā, to a lullaby. Ha ki roto, breathing in. Ha ki waho. I hope you enjoy that and hope you can use it. And then we usually finish with a beautiful lullaby. And the kids are always so calm and lovely afterwards. All right. Ka kite.
Ka kite.